Backpacking indeed is a fantastic activity to enjoy the beauty of Mother Nature from the closest. We admit that getting started with backpacking can be a bit challenging and troublesome, but some essential gear items can mitigate that trouble to the minimum. So lean back and enjoy our video on 9 essential backpacking gear for beginners.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear so that you can have the best experience.
Starting with this goTele XQUAD, because we know as a beginner you don't want to get lost or detached from the group. Covered by 4 different satellite networks like GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, and Beidou, this wearable tracker will keep its users and every group member on track. Then comes features like real-time navigation and tracking, keeping every backpacker aware of each other. And interestingly, users can even send short messages right from this device. Here are the Polar Bear Series hiking boots from NORTIV 8, a comfortable and warm pair of boots to keep those happy feet on the trail. First thing anyone will love about these boots is their eye-catching design and color combination. The rubber soles don't only make them exceptionally grippy to provide the ultimate traction and anti-skid performance on any challenging trails, slopes, mud, snow, slippery boulders, and whatnot. Having a lace-up closure, these boots can be worn pretty easily with metal hooks. Then comes their top-notch waterproofing thanks to their water-resistant upper construction, leading to a dry and comfortable walking experience. But does that mean they compromise with breathability? Guess not, as this pair of boots are impressively breathable to keep those feet dry. Now, if you think about comfort, the Polar Bear series features a TPU midsole, a super comfortable footbed, and a soft padded collar for a comparatively more stable and responsive experience. Oh, we just cannot forget how effective these boots absorb shocks. So from a snug fit to proper toe, ankle, and underfoot protection, to the most rugged durability on the great outdoors, nothing is left behind with this Polar Bear series. Now the Link is an interesting one from CUTAWAY to spice up a tiring backpack adventure. And what makes it so interesting? Let us tell you how this compact one is a game changer for such adventures. This innovative one can work as a comfy blanket, a pillow, a travel sheet, and whatnot. But is the view being too dramatic? No worries, as this one can even be a hammock to feel nature from the closest. Fjallraven Singi 48 is your go-to beginner-friendly backpack to get started as a backpacker. First thing anyone will love about this backpack is its waterproof-based fabric, which is very helpful to keep this anywhere regardless of any trail. Then comes its huge main compartment, vast enough to conveniently carry all those gear items to a trek. Comfortably padded shoulder straps won't make its users feel exhausted, even after a long backpacking session. As a beginner, everyone loves to carry lighter. So here's the Solo Stove Lite, an ultralight backpacking stove that doesn't require any canister fuel to ignite. Now people may ask, how? Well, this lightweight stove uses natural energy like twigs, dry leaves, and other biofuels to prepare some tasty meals on a backpacking trip. So stop once in a while and have a delicious meal with this Solo Stove Lite. The name might be Surviveware small, but it comes with some really essential medical supplies to cure any injuries on the go. Of course, being such a compact and durable one, carrying this medical kit won't be an issue. But what else makes it a compatible choice is its complete medical supplies to heal anything minor to severe. This is the Outdoor Research Foray 2, a convenient and simple solution to tackle any adverse weather conditions. This one's Outdoor Reach's best-selling Gore-Tex rain jacket for a reason, as its refined fit, modernized design, and better waterproofing doesn't leave any questions about its quality. Features like torso flow venting makes it even better, with better breathability. So forget about adverse weather conditions on your backpacking trip with this Outdoor Research Foray 2. Here's the Fenix HM65R, a bright and capable headlight to illuminate dark pitchways on your backpacking sessions. Being as bright as 1400 lumens, This headlight can help its users through any challenging trail during nighttime, and as it weighs only 3.42 ounces, carrying it won't be an issue as well. Quickly swappable batteries will make your adventure even easier, and to top everything off, it features a comfortable headband for a more relaxing experience. So that was our list of 9 essential backpacking gear for beginners. Thanks for watching. Feel free to reveal your thoughts in the comments section, and please share this video if you find it helpful. And to know more about outdoor products, reviews, and buying guides, you can visit our website, goouttdoorzone.com.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.